here from the Stellar Guitarists, and I have got such an awesome lesson for you today. So as many of you probably know, Taylor Swift dropped her brand new album Midnight just a few days ago, and if you haven't yet, go and listen to the songs. They are so awesome. I have to be honest, I've had this album on repeat whether I'm driving or I'm cooking in the kitchen or doing whatever. I am going to be teaching you the lead single from her album today called Anti-Hero. I've also decided that in the next few weeks I'm going to be teaching as many songs from the Midnight album as I possibly can. So if you're interested in that, then don't forget to subscribe and hit that notifications button so that when I come out with those covers and those lesson tutorials, you will be the first one to know. So let's jump in and learn Anti-Hero by Taylor Swift. So the first thing that we need to note is that Anti-Hero is going to require you to put your capo onto the 4th fret of your guitar. So in this lesson, we're going to be exploring just 4 chords needed in the song. They're going to be no bar chords and 1 easy strumming pattern. So the first chord that we're going to be needing for the song is an F major 7 chord. Next up, we have a C major chord, which we're strumming down from the 5th string. The third chord is a G major chord, and we strum all the strings. And lastly, we have an A minor chord, and we strum A minor from the 5th string down. Let's do a quick play through of those 4 chords together, starting on F major 7, changing to C major, we're going on to G major, and our A minor chord. Moving on to our strumming pattern. This strumming pattern gets used throughout the entire song, and it's relatively easy. It sounds like this: down, down, up, up, down, down. Down, down, up, down, down. Now the tricky part comes in when we actually have to split that strumming pattern over 2 chords. So the first chord in the song, F major 7, is going to get the first 2 down strums. And the C major is going to get the last couple of strums, which is the up, up, down, down. So if you listen in succession, let's practice that together, starting on that F major 7. Down, down, change. When we move across to the G chord, it's exactly the same situation where we will be strumming down on G twice and moving over to the A minor chord for the up, up, down, down. Down, down, change. Alright, let's put it all together, starting on that F major 7 to C, G, and A minor. As I mentioned, the chord sequence doesn't change throughout the whole song. So it starts on F to C to G to A minor, and that gets used from the beginning all the way through to the end. However, we can create a little bit more interest by implementing different strumming pattern techniques. So what I would like to do is talk to you about a palm muting technique, which we will be using in all the verses and in the bridge of the song. So what a palm mute generally would be is taking the palm of your right hand, which is your strumming hand, and we're going to take that palm and we're going to just rest it just in front of the bridge of our guitar. So just connecting with the strings, slightly pushed forward. And what this does is it creates a softer, muted sound so that it's not so loud and ringing. What you can do to practice those mutes is to just practice down strums first, changing to that C, changing to the G, and A minor. If this is a difficult technique for you to master, then rather leave it out and revisit it later. If your number 1 goal is to just play the song, then you can do that with just the 4 chords we learned and that 1 strumming pattern. But if you want to give the palm muting a try, then by all means give it a go and maybe you will learn something new. So starting on that F, we're going to incorporate the strumming pattern with our palm mutes. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. F, C, and G. Awesome work, well done. And then the last thing I want to talk about in the bridge, now the bridge is the part where she talks about her daughter-in-law that kills her for the money, right? So in that part of the song, we're doing our palm mute. And then later on, like just a few lines down, she goes into that section where she says, it's me, hi, I'm the problem, it's me. And that section of the song, we're going to just be doing one down strum on all the chords. And we're going to count the chords 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So if I give you the demonstration, it's me, hi, I'm the problem, it's me, hi, I'm the problem, it's me. And that continues all the way to the end of the bridge before we go back into the chorus, which is where we go back into our full strumming pattern, and that's the end of the song. Right, you guys, we've learned all the sections of the song, and all we have left to do now is a playthrough. So let's get into it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have this thing when I get older, but just never wiser. Midnights become my afternoons. When my depression works the graveyard shift, all of the people I've lost and stuck there in the room. I should not be left to my own devices. They come with prices and vices, end up in crisis. I wake up screaming from dreaming. One day I'll watch as you're leaving, 'cause you got tired of my scheming. It's me, hi, I'm the problem, it's me. And time, everybody agrees. I'll scatter every sun, but never in the mirror. It must be exhausting, always rooting for the anti-hero. Sometimes I feel like everybody is a sexy baby, and I'm a monster on the hill. Too big to hang out, slowly lurching toward the vacant city, pierced through the heart but never killed. Did you hear my covert narcissism? I disguise as altruism like some kind of congressman. I wake up screaming from dreaming. One day I'll watch as you're leaving, and life will lose all its meaning. It's me, hi, I'm the problem, it's me. And time, everybody agrees. I'll stare at the sun, but never in the mirror. It must be exhausting, always rooting for the anti-hero. I have this dream, my daughter-in-law kills me for the money. She thinks I left them in the will. The family gather round and read it, and then someone screams out, she's laughing up at us from hell. It's me, hi, I'm the problem, it's me. It's me, hi, I'm the problem, it's me. It's me, hi. Everybody agrees, everybody agrees. It's me, hi, I'm the problem, it's me. It's time, everybody agrees. I'll stare at the sun, but never in the mirror. It must be exhausting, always rooting for the anti-hero. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed this video tutorial of Anti-Hero by Taylor Swift. Drop down in the comments below and let me know which other songs from her album you are desperate to learn, and I'll get onto those as soon as possible. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel and to click that notifications button, and you'll never ever miss any lessons that I come out with. Have a great day and good luck with all your playing. See you in the next video. Bye!